Hey guys, it's Maddie and welcome to another AFI business tip video. In today's video, I'm going to talk about candles. Candles are a tricky product that have the potential to go wrong. Even though candles may seem really easy to produce, you will soon find out they're not that simple. The biggest thing to find out is which wax product the customer is using. It is either soy, the most common one, or paraffin. There are more options too, but these are the most used ones. Soy is 100% natural, so people like to use that for marketing purposes. On the other hand, paraffin is totally synthetic, but more of a stiff wax, as you can see. The best is a combination of the two. However, since paraffin wax is derived from oil, if oil prices rise, so will paraffin. Soy wax is a more stable option of the two, since it is a staple. These two waxes have completely different fragrances. Let's start with soy wax. There are certain solvents that work better with soy wax candles. One of them is DOA, or dialkyl adipate. It needs to be the solvent you are using. Another option is BB, which is benzoate. There's one more, IPM, which is isopropyl myristate. All three of these options work great for soy wax candles. If you end up using a paraffin fragrance oil for customers that use soy wax, it will not go very well. The problem is when you actually heat the wax and you add the fragrance on top of it, you stir it, it looks like water and oil. It will separate and not mix together. If they tell you that, most likely this is the problem. There can be many other issues, but if the wax is 100% soy and they use a fragrance that has DEP, which is phthalate, it will not work. DEP is a plasticizer. It's a cheap solvent and we use it in paraffin. It's actually used in 90% of paraffin fragrances, but you cannot use it in soy wax. So when a customer says that they want a phthalate-free candle, they are referring to DEP. There's nothing wrong with DEP, but some customers prefer to keep it out of the candles. With paraffin, you can use some of these solvents that work for soy, but something like DEP you cannot use with soy candles. These are some of the problems that you can run into, so you want to order the correct fragrance depending on the wax that you're using. The best thing to do when starting a new business or adding a new line is to test your products with the oil you are purchasing. Testing is essential in knowing the best fragrance oil to choose for your preferred wax. In today's market, there are an endless amount of options of waxes you can choose from. So, do your research, find the correct wax and fragrance for your candle, and test your product to ensure you're selling your customer top-notch, high-quality products. That's all I have for you guys today. If you'd like to see more business tip videos, don't forget to check out our channel. Thanks for visiting AFI. Bye!